Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my video. Today, first of all, if you hasn't subscribed my channel, please take some time to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon on the right of my video. Today we are talking about problems that is being faced on Galaxy A50. The problem is simple, but it looks simple, but sometimes it is becoming irritating to us. The problem is simple. s- uh, because since I have set my set already, the sound is coming, but in Galaxy A50 the sound is not coming outside. When you try to play the media without earphone, the sound is not coming out, but when you use the earphone, the sound is coming good. So to solve this problem, I found the four ways. Might be it will be helpful to you, I think. The first way is to rebooting your system, and I think most of all of us know how to reboot our system. Just to press the power button here, and we can press it for a long time. Press it for a long time, and we can restart the mobile. This is the simple step, first one, and the second step is clearing cache files. Uh, Cache files are temporary files that are made by the phone uh, for for some purposes, so that the phone doesn't get load on this processor and RAM. When you open the application, this cache files helps to open the saved files, so that there is no pressure or load on the processor. So due to these cache files, sometimes the media sound is not coming out. So there are two ways of clearing these cache files. The first way is simple. Just go to settings and go to applications, apps, and there are different apps that are installed by default on your mobile and different apps that you install by yourself. Let us suppose if you want to go to Gmail or anything, let us suppose emo chatting app. So you have to go this to the app and go to storage, and here is the clear cache options. By clicking this, you can clear the cache of this app emo. Simultaneously, you can do on uh, every apps, different apps. You have to go by on each app and go on storage on each app and clear cache on each app. But this is time consuming. So in the present world, the time is most important thing. So this way of clearing cache might be time consuming for every app. So the next way of clearing cache is just first of all, here is the power button, here is volume minus, volume plus. So on this A50, just click power button and you power off your phone. Okay, now phone is being powered off. After power off, you have to do just this simple step. There are two keys, one is power button and another is volume plus. You have to click the both power button and volume plus at the same time simultaneously. One, two, three. After clicking, the Samsung Galaxy A50 written appears on the screen, and you have to leave it out. And then there is the rebooting system that appears on the screen, on which you have to select the wipe cache partition, which is down there. By using the volume minus, you can go down, and you can go up by using plus options. You have to go to wipe cache partition here, and you have to say OK by using the power key. Here it asks you again, you have to, do you want to do this or not? If you want to do yes, we want to do, so just select yes and go to OK again. So now the cache partitions that are there in different apps which you have installed, or on the apps default on your mobile, has been wiped out. So you have to reboot your system now. Again, go to OK. By doing this, you have clear cleared all the cache partition that are there in different apps on your mobile, which you have installed and which there are already default on your mobile. These are two ways you can clear cache files on your mobile. And we have talked about rebooting system, we have talked about clearing cache systems, and finally there is one more steps you can do if this doesn't work. And the final step I'm going to show you, there are different application running at the same time, so that might be some other application is taking the media sound even if you are not using, which is on the background. So you can do you have to close all the apps if you the sound is again not coming. So you can do this by, first of all, you have to click the options, and it shows all the applications that are running. But presently there are two applications. If you are using more than two or more than 5 or 10, all applications are shown here. So you have to do just close all. By doing this, you are closing all the apps that are being running. So after doing this, you want to just open the app which apps you want to use. And I think by doing this, the app sound may appear. I hope the problem of your mobile's A50 sound problem has been solved. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.